have to be louder?
And no, this shit 400 degrees.
Knock, knock, bitch, I'm at your door. Get you pop, pop. On my son, bitch, I'm the shit. It don't stop, stop. This shit hot, hot. Ain't no thought. You are.
Hey exclusive baddies, welcome back to my channel. So I hope that you guys enjoyed my last video. If you didn't watch it, go check it out. Yeah, I'll link that in the description below. And yeah, so today's video we're actually going to be doing purses. So I've done a basketball DIY purse, I've done a beaded DIY purse. I believe that's the only two purse DIYs that I've done in the past. I picked two bags that I see trending the most and decided to like do a DIY on them. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. I do try to make shorter videos, so you know most people will watch a shorter video and then watch a longer video. But yeah, so if you're asking for a longer video, I will go ahead and do that so I can add details on how I sew the projects. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get to the video. I'm gonna show you guys the bags and then the rest is gonna be like a voiceover. I'm gonna do a voiceover for the rest of the video. I found this acrylic box purse on Amazon for $20. Came in 2 days. We love Amazon. This is the first purse. I think anybody can do this. Get the purse from Amazon. It's so cute. I seen this last year because I was looking for the picture. So I'm like, I know I saved the picture so I can like put it on my Instagram. Follow me on there. And the other bag that I made was the infamous like the fur tote. So I made a fur tote. Yeah, I really like this one. This one was kind of hard. But yeah, this is the other purse. So can't wait to wear this. I haven't worn it yet. Yeah, because this fits like a lot of stuff in it. It's really cute. But yeah, this is the second purse. So without further ado, let's get into the DIY portion of the video. Okay, so right now I'm just cutting out like a shape of a tote bag basically, and I'm just cutting both sides of it. And yeah, so I'm doing that right now. So now I'm finally gonna start measuring it. So I'm measuring all sides so I can make the rectangles like. So we're gonna sew all the way around. Sewing a square around the one side and then another side of the bag. I'm sorry, I don't know how to explain it. So I should have just recorded myself doing it actually. I'm sorry. Now we need to attach the strap. I did the strap, so I just did a piece, and this is gonna be hard to fold inside out. I ain't gonna lie. I couldn't get that whole thing, so whatever I got through, I just cut off the rest and pulled it back out because it was too fat. So yeah, I'm just gonna sew these on here and flip the bag inside out. Oh my gosh, it's so dusty. Sew it in here, and that is the bag. I might like fold it in. Oh my gosh, look at my feet. Look how freaking dusty. I can't breathe. Like I have dust in my nose. Well, not dust. Little fur things in my nose. Yeah, this is how I'm gonna do it because I wanted to do a long strap, but that's good enough. So yeah, let's sew it in. Okay, y'all. So I'm in Cricut design. I found this image on Google. I just like took out all the extra. And I'm just like leaving it the size it is, so I can use that bag. And I'm gonna see what colors I'm gonna use. Pretty sure I gotta change the setting on that, but I'm not sure what I need to change it to for this purse. Let me see, maybe if I make it a little bit smaller. Kind of want it to be like the size of the square. we'll keep it this size right now. It's like 2 by 2 basically, or 3 by 3. This square is about, it's about 1 inch. This one is about 1 inch. That one's about 1 inch. And this one in the corner. Yep. So I think it's actually a good size. So I'm just gonna cut and make it. Let's do this. We don't have to mirror it because it's not. We don't have to mirror it because it's not for a shirt. That's what I was trying to say. Let's pick some colors out so we can do the rainbow purse. Okay, now that we got all of our pieces here, you can't tell, but it has it on here. So now I'm just gonna try to cut them out and just start placing them. So okay, so this is what I got so far. Yeah, this kind of hard. This is gonna be hard. Yeah, I gotta go look at the picture. So I just printed that out so I can see kind of like where it goes, like what goes above them, because this is how I printed it on each of them, but I need to figure out what goes up here and what goes right here, you know, etc, etc, etc. That is how it looks on one side. So let me just